So this video is going to be more about the truck because I'm already got one uploading. Just going to kind of show you the bad spots of rust, like so. Underneath, there's that piece, but they're not rusted through. That piece is just hanging there, and I'm not sure what it goes to. Let me climb under here and get a better look. So this is really a lot of beginner's rust, but nothing's actually all the way through on the frame and stuff. So I mean, those are kind of like the worst places, but it's not through anywhere. You know, it's just taking off. Oh, sorry, dropped phone. That piece doesn't want to come off, but that's the rear end. Leaf springs. The exhaust has a hole in it. I'll have to go up under some more and show you. It's got this ball thing for other towing needs. Like I said, this is kind of hanging there off of this. I don't know what it goes to, but it's there. Bump stops look fairly new. Really a good rust treatment on this thing. It'd be fine. Now it will need new shocks from what I was told, but they're not that expensive. I think they said parts alone was $175. But you know, the rest is really just beginning, and it's not really horrible considering how old it is. So there's that. Okay, let me go around on the other side. Nice. Body ain't perfect again. It's old. I do have the tailgate. Both tanks, the pump works good, and I use both tanks. I'll switch back and forth depending on how much I'm driving it. I'll let one tank run solo, and then I'll fill up the other and use it for a while, and vice versa. Give you a look on the inside, just showing you the outside first. That's the worst rust spot there. Tires are good. On both sides. I'll show you the other side here. Paint peeling. Nothing big, no big deal. Wipers work. I do have the light cover inside the truck. It was falling off. I was going to glue it back on after cleaning it up and replacing lights with new lights. It's got that scrape there, that dent there. This side doesn't have rust like the other side does, except for right there. So there you have it on that. And oh yeah, right there. Tires good on both. And I don't know if those are still good or not either, but here's the app. Okay, so the hole on the exhaust. Where did it go? Let's see. I did brake work and changed the sensor on that as well. It's a small leak, nothing huge. There's a hole on the exhaust. As you can see, it's really not in bad condition for being as old as it is. Not in bad condition at all. And then it's just kind of another look around underneath. In fact, the body's really not rusty at all. It's really surprising. Just beginner's rust on the frame mainly. Looks like that's where it's come from. I'm not sure, but guess I'll let it run. Let you hear it run. Everything's really good on it. Also, the new brakes, ring calipers on both sides.